Think about David. He was anointed to be the next king of Israel. The prophet Samuel showed up at his house, chose him over his brothers. A remarkable moment. But David didn't go to the palace. He went back to the shepherd's fields. You can be anointed before you're appointed. Like Joseph, you can have the dream, but there will be a time of testing, a time of proving to get you prepared for what God promised. This is where we can get discouraged. God, you anointed me. Why did you send me back to take care of these sheep? David could have complained. He could have slacked off. But out in the shepherd's fields with no one watching, he kept being his best. He's a king with a big dream. What's he doing? Shoveling sheep dung, protecting the animals, closely watching them. He had his slingshot ready. If a wild animal came, David was there. He nailed it, never dreaming that one day he would use that same skill to slay a giant. David had to prove he would take care of those sheep before God would allow him to take care of his people. Don't despise the small beginnings. Don't slack off because you're not getting recognition. Nobody is celebrating you. You're in preparation. Keep passing those tests, being your best, serving when no one is looking, doing the right thing when you're not getting credit. God is watching. He sees your faithfulness.